So we're gonna replace the original shocks by this one. It's from Fax. You don't know how to use this one. It's a 2.0 Fax shocks.
Very nice upgrade for ride quality and control. So remember, save those bushings, extensions. So what we're gonna do that trick again, right?
The strap.
Yeah.
To compress the shock.
Yeah, I gotta get it compressed. Okay, where's the
Here.
strap? Pry bar.
There you go.
Yeah.
Perfect. Good job, Cronin.
There you go.
Alright. I'm gonna put the washer. The nuts and the washer, right? See.
Washer. These are nylocks, which are good. See, the nut has a nylon washer inside of it.
Really?
Yeah, you see that?
No.
Look at it. It says nylon. It's called a nylock.
This one?
Yeah. So it won't loosen up.
Oh, yeah, I see it. The white stuff.
Yeah.
It's cool.
So I forgot to do one thing on the other side.
What?
Secure the wiring harness to the top of the bolts. I'll do that this way.
Wiring harness?
Yeah, this thing here. Which way did we do it last time? I guess I did it. I know you're full time, I'm sorry. You're an excellent helper. And my buddy. My buddy. I like these flex ratchets, but sometimes you just need a fixed one.
Yeah.
Because it gives, gravity's not working on my side. Alright, now we gotta
Lower portion.
put the wires back on. Right there.
Oh, there's something that could hold it.
It's just...
So why did you choose the Fax?
Well, it was
Shocks.
Fox or Bilstein, which I like Bilstein, but I don't know. These ones are rebuildable. Supposedly only good for like 50,000 miles, all shocks.
Yeah.
So,
You really need to replace a shock?
well, it's ride quality and control is what most people neglect the heck out of them. It's beautiful, isn't it? See, look, they put the sticker both ways so you could put it either way.
What are you doing now?
I'm taking off the shock, man. My wrench. Oi.
It's moving now. I can see it. There. Hurt yourself.
This was.
For a shock. What kind of shock was that?
It was a shitty shock.
What's wrong?
What? Quit laughing at me, Swan.
It's so hard if it's not lifted. So bear with us. Okay. Good job, Cornel.
Coming for you. 3, 4, better lock your door. 5, 6, grab your crucifix. 7, 8, better stay up late.